It has long been predicted that as climate change worsened, hurricanes would become more common and more extreme. The 2020 hurricane season has certainly demonstrated this. In this animation, orange represents tropical storms, red represents hurricanes, and pink represents major hurricanes. The 2020 hurricane season was the most active hurricane season on record. It had 30 named storms, surpassing the previous record in 2005 with 28 named storms. Of the storms, 13 became hurricanes. This is the second highest number on record. And 6 of these hurricanes were classified as major hurricanes. This is double the number of major hurricanes in an average season. 18 of the past 26 hurricane seasons have been above average. Obviously, this is not typical. This is indicative of hurricane seasons which are worsening. And all 5 of the past 5 hurricane seasons were above average. 2020 was the 7th costliest hurricane season on record.